Thank you.
It's kind of a landmine there, isn't it? All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's Friday. We're glad you're here. We want to give out some certificates first before we turn it over to fourth grade. Kobe Bodenstein, would you please join me? Kobe has logged in 100 books. He's in Miss Moore's first grade class. Jackie Morfin. Jackie's logged in 200 books. She's in Mrs. Moore's class. Would you give that to your friend? We are early in the third 9 weeks. Nolan Jones and Riley Wetzel have already finished up their AR goals. But you're going to continue to read, aren't you, Nolan? Great answer. If you see Riley come in, would you grab this one? Okay. Mrs. Moore's class is going to town on subtraction. I didn't know you knew any subtraction facts. Fluency time. J.C. Williams, Jesse, Funtes, there you go. Thank you. And Marius Lewis. Would you give that to Marius, honey? Thank you. All of these are coming out of Mrs. Webb's class. David Westerman has completed the 20th Accelerated Math Objectives. Carly Sheets has completed 30. Yes, sir. Jake Pattison has completed 60. Landry Culp has completed 60. Chesney Pratt has completed 70. She's got yours. Kate Willis has completed 80. Jaden Welch has completed 80. Kinley Suter has completed 90. And Noah Lewis has completed 90. You guys have been busy in there. I have some students who have completed their first grade ST Math. Remember ST Math, parents and friends, that is our computer program that we are doing kind of to rewire brains on the way they think about math. It's a good program, and do you guys like it? I thought so. Aiden Ramsey, would you come on up? And Porter Scantlin. Let's see if I can do this. Porter Scantlin. Aiden Ramsey. There you go. We almost filled up the whole stage. Wonderful job. Please give our certificate earners a big round of applause. Thank you. We hope to see you back soon. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please sit back. Remember to be good audience participants, and we will turn it over to Mrs. Bailey's class. Do you need the microphone? Lindsay does.
Hi, my name is Lindsay, and I'm in Miss Bailey's class. Today we are going to show you how to help with your math facts in game mode. These are things to help with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These games can be played at home. Each group will tell you the materials and how to play the game.
Flashcards. The materials you need: pre-made flashcard or paper to make flashcards. And
first you put problems on the flashcards, then you put them in piles that you don't know and ones that you do know, and then you practice them over and over.
Dice math game. You need dice, at least 2 players. You roll the dice, either add, subtract, or multiply numbers. Whoever says the answer first gets the point.
Sticky note game. How you play the sticky note game is first you get a poster board, markers, and sticky notes.
You take your paper paperboard and then you place it on a flat surface. Then you write a math fact on a sticky note.
You write the answer under the sticky note, you repeat this process, and then you try to answer the math facts.
The game of war. You can use regular cards or Uno cards or your own handmade cards. First you have the Uno cards and you pick 2 cards from the top of the stack. Then you either multiply, subtract, or add it. If you answer the question right, you get to keep the card. If the person who has the most cards at the end of the game wins. 9. These are some fun ways to write your math facts. This is rainbow math. You can get fun colors and write your math facts.
You could also write your math facts in sidewalk chalk, paint, shaving cream, or just pencil and paper.
Ball toss. Materials needed. A ball, you need at least 2 players. Directions. You need to be about 5 feet apart. One person throws the ball and asks the person a math question. The person answers the question, then does the same thing back. Two times 5. 10. 6 times 2. 12. Poster board math. The materials you need are 1 poster board and markers. The first step is to have an adult write a big number. Then list all the math facts you know that equals that number. The most important part is you practice often because practice makes permanent.
Nice job. Hey guys, give them another round because they just helped us learn something. Good job. Thank you very much. You guys may be seated. Thank you for helping us learn ways to do this at home, right? So get those markers out, get those balls out, and get those sticky notes out. Hey ladies and gentlemen, it is Friday. On Friday we do some different things. People say, why don't you do it every day? Well, because we've got other things going on, but on Fridays we always reach up, pull it across, and because when do you put a seatbelt on? I liked it. When you get in the car, every time. That's what we want you to do. As I said, it is Friday. Do we have any events in the community that we need to announce? No, I always take them from adults, okay? Thank you very much. Oh, we're not done yet. I promise, Lee. We'll get there. All right. They seem to have a lot of events at the beginning of the month. As it gets to the end, sometimes we don't. But hey, ladies and gentlemen, it is a Silent Friday Cheer Day. The key word is silent. All right. So let's do our Silent Friday cheer on the count of 3. There you go. Miss Noggle has it going on over there. Today for lunch we are having, and I had it in my head and now I forgot it. How about artesian sausage pizza, Italian vegetables, corn salad, and? See, just testing to see if you were listening. Hey, we've got some good things going on in our classrooms today. 5th grade. Did you guys go back and work on your solar project again to see the shadows? Not yesterday. They're working hard on a solar project where they're seeing where the shadows are. So I know they've got that going on. How many of you have a spelling test today? Well, good luck to you. Miss Summers has a spelling test, but none of your class. Okay. There you go. Surprise! There, wishful thinking, she said. At Trout, we ask you to. home of a mountain range. Have a great day.